Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can buy Prometeus coin or Prom. So if we go on CoinMarketCap, we can see that we can buy it on Binance, Bittrex, XNAX, Burger Swap and more. So in this video I will show you how you can buy with a Binance. It's really fast and easy, and if you don't have a Binance account, you can register through my link in the description below and you will be getting 5% more on your first deposit, right? So if we go on Binance Trade, when you have an account, you need to just hover your mouse on Trade and Classic and you will appear here. And if we buy Prom, we can see that we can buy Prom with a Binance coin. So we need to have a Binance coin and Binance exchange. So what you need to do here is to just press on crypto, select pay with and select the method. So I just select credit or debit card and then enter amount of USD or other currency you want to buy Binance coin. Select a Binance coin and buy with your card by setting up details, right? And then what you need to do here is to select Prom versus BNB, as you can see here, and simply what you need to do here is here, as you can see here on the bottom, you should see buy Prom, enter amount of Prom you want to buy and just buy it, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.